So this is our problem we're starting with. The indefinite integral of x plus 34 over x minus 6 times x plus 2. We'll be using partial fraction decomposition to solve this. So partial fraction decomposition pretty much just means that we're breaking up this fraction into two separate things and we're solving for what a and b equals. So to solve for a and b, we are going to take our x plus 34 that was originally on the top and set it equal to a times x plus 2, which is over on the bottom, plus b times x minus 6. Next step, we will distribute the a and the b to both of inside of the parentheses. Once that's done, you'll rearrange it to make it a little bit easier and push terms over to each other. Now we're left with a plus b equal to 1 and 2a minus 6b, which is equal to 34. So now that we have that, we can start figuring out what our a and b are. So we know that a plus b equals 1. So let's start to solve with b for b. A equals 1 minus b. We go back to our original equation, not the original, but the equation before, and we sub in this 1 minus b to solve for a. To solve for b. So we take this, and we have 2 times 1 minus b, which is originally a, minus 6b equals 34. We do basic algebra, and we come up to get b equals negative 4. We plug the negative 4 into here, and we end up finding that a is equal to 5. So now that we have our a and our b figured out, we can sub it in to the equation that we had before, which was originally this a plus b, and now we can sub in our 5 and our 4. Now that we've subbed in our 5 and our 4, we can use the sum rule to say that whole integral is equal to breaking it up. You're still subtracting, you're still getting the same amount. Once we have broken that up, we're going to find the antiderivative of both, or solving for, or doing basic integration. And we know that 1 over x is equal to ln x. So because we have the 5 on top, we are now going to be multiplying times the ln. And because we have the minus 6, that's going to go into the absolute value. So once we have integrated both sides, we will end up with 5 times ln absolute value of x minus 6 minus 4 times ln of the absolute value of x plus 2. Now, you would think you're done, but the last thing we have to remember is to add the constant c to finish the problem. Thank you for listening.